have only 5 seconds to answer the questions. For every correct answer, you will be given 10 points. However, there is no negative marking. That means if you get any questions wrong, no marks will be deducted. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. So we will start with the first team, Team 1, which is Northern University. Okay, just like the previous rounds, we will have a sample question just to help you understand the round better. So this is for the audience. Let's start. Okay, sample question for the audience. What is determined by Carl Fisher titration? Moisture content. Did you get any questions? Yes, that is the correct answer. So this was just a sample question for the audience. Now we will start the round, which is the adrenaline rush round. I request, please, everyone to be quiet at the back. Please, no talking. Okay, Northern University, get ready. You'll have 5 seconds to answer the question. Which one carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart? That is incorrect. The correct answer is pulmonary vein. Okay, moving on. The second team, Asia Pacific. Oh, sorry. Second question. Which... Same team, sorry, Northern University. Second question for you. Which part of the brain controls respiration?
Basal ganglia.
Sorry, the correct answer is medulla oblongata. Okay. Third question. Which antibiotic causes red man syndrome?
Hand poisoning.
That was very close. Okay, that is correct. Okay, your last question. Which mitochondrial protein causes apoptosis?
Cytochrome C.
That is correct. Thank you, Northern University. Now, University of Asia Pacific, please get ready. Which molecule carries amino acids to the ribosome? Sorry?
Yeah.
Correct. Okay, next question. What type of drug is used for long-term prevention of stroke?
Antiplatelet drug.
Correct. Okay, third question. Which gel is used for protein electrophoresis?
Polyacrylamide.
Okay, correct. Okay, your last question. Which process involves more steps?
Dry granulation.
Correct. Good job. Okay, next team 3, NSUB. Which one increases absorbance in UV visible spectrophotometry? Sorry, that is incorrect. The answer is oxygen. Okay, next question. Which method is used to introduce recombinant DNA into eukaryotic host cells?
Transfiction.
What is? So the first answer was incorrect. Yes, sorry, that is incorrect. Please answer only once. What is the most common carrier gas in gas chromatography? Helium. Sorry, that's incorrect. Which enzyme hydrolyzes peptide bonds in lysosome?
Option B. Option
That is incorrect. Okay, team 4, get ready. Gano Vishwavidyalaya. Let's start. In response to cold, thyroid hormone levels may increase to.
inhibit ATP production.
Sorry, that is not correct. Let's move on to the next question. Which technique is best suited for the quantification of mRNA levels?
PCR.
Correct. In pharmaceutical manufacturing, clean rooms are classified based on.
Airborne particles.
Correct. The next question. The temperature at which polymers become flexible is.
Decomposition temperature.
Sorry, that is incorrect. Okay, let's move on to the fifth team. East-West University. Okay, let's start with the first question. Which monoclonal antibody is commonly used? Okay, that is correct. Second question. Oleaginous ointment bases are also known as hydrocarbon base. That is correct. Moving on. Which vitamin is needed to make red blood cells? Vitamin B12. Very good. That is also correct. Okay. Which domain of an antigen is recognized by the antibody? Epitope. Congratulations. That is also correct. Okay. Team 6, NSUA. Ready? Okay. Which type of drugs are easily reabsorbed from the renal tubule?
Lipophilic.
Good, correct. What type of molecules are endotoxins?
Lipopolysaccharide.
That is also correct. Third question. Which enzyme of lacrimal fluid destroys pathogens?
Lysozyme.
Correct. Last question. Which route is more effective in avoiding first pass metabolism?
Rectal.
Sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer is sublingual. Okay, Team 7, State University. Are you ready? The viscosity and consistency are studied in.
Rheology.
Correct. What is the USP dissolution test apparatus 2?
Paddle.
That is correct. Paddle is the right answer. Which one is related to the disorder or randomness in a system?
Entropy.
Correct. Which one is the pyrimidine base of DNA?
Thymine.
Congratulations, that is also correct. Okay, Team 8, Dhaka University. Let's. Oh. Audience at the back, I will again humbly request you to please not talk amongst yourselves. Thank you. Okay. Dhaka University, are you ready? Yes? Okay. Let's start. Which one is present in the bark of the willow tree?
Sensing.
Correct. Which technique is better for the identification of a functional group?
Ion spectroscopy.
That is also correct. Third question. Which one is the unit of drug clearance from the body?
Liter per hour.
That is also correct. Last question. The natural antioxidant glutathione is?
Peptide.
Congratulations, that is also correct. So So that marks the end of this round. Congratulations.
Okay, thank you, Mahmood Faiz, madam, for your nice conduction of adrenaline rush. Now we'll go for the second round of this level, which is pentagram. It may not be familiar to you. Okay, so pentagram. What's pentagram? That will make you familiar to pentagram very soon through audience question. This round will be very interesting, but you need to focus. Okay, so I will explain pentagram by a sample question. Get ready, audience, and also the participants. Okay, so let me first identify the teams. Teams are 8 teams, right? Team 1, just raise your hand. Not done. Team 2, UAP team 3, NSUB team, Gonu University for team 4, and team 5 East West, team NSUA, team 6, 7 State, and Dhaka University. Okay, team 8, Dhaka University, right? So, please give attention. This time, attention and focus is very, very important. Knowledge will matter also, but your IQ, your focus, everything will matter. Okay, this time you'll see something which is very new in pharmacy, because many people think that in pharmacy, brain teaser question is not possible, but we think it is possible. Okay, this is level 2, round 2, which is pentagram. Sample question 1 of pentagram. Though it sounds like moral decadence, it's actually not. That means you have to, what I am talking with the audience, but also the participant need to be attentive, because you will understand the pattern. You'll see this pattern of question. You need to unscramble the letters which are shown in do it in red sin. Okay. In the bottom panel, you see do it in red sin. You need to rearrange the letters, and you will get a letter, meaningful letter, which is related to the clue given in the middle panel. That means, though it sounds like moral decadence, it's actually not. Morality means integrity, right? Audience, I will give you a clue. Okay, I will not leave you in the sea without a sailor. Okay, I'm giving you the first clue. Okay, let me check how many clues you need. The letter starts with D. D for Dhaka. What? Disintegration is the right answer. Give a big round of applause. This was very difficult in the first place, but very soon, we will guide your thought, and your thought process will increase. Okay, very soon it will be very simple. If you rearrange these letters, it will be disintegration. You can see disintegration. So, okay, now it was the first question. That's why it was not time bound. But now I'll say, this time you will be given only 20 seconds for answering the second question, which is also to the audience. So participants, did you got the point? You got the point? That means what kind of question you have to answer in this round, right? Okay, so another question for the audience. Okay, after that, I will give more guideline to the participants. Okay, so audience, get ready. Again, ready. Sample question 2. All solid dosage form must complete this step. Dissolution. This time many people can answer. So this time many people can answer. The first answer is difficult. Second one will be easy. Third one will be easy. Okay. So this type of connected question will be asked to the participant teams. Okay, participant team 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 teams. There are 8 cluster of questions. Every time, every team will be given 5 problems. 5 problems at a time, not one by one. Okay, we'll not go with question 1 to team 1, then team 2, team 3. This will not be the pattern. The pattern will be all 5 questions will be asked to suppose team number 1, then all 5 questions for team number 2, then all 5 questions for team number 3, and so on, right? You understand? So the first question will go to the Northern University. You will see 5 questions. Okay, I'll do. So Northern University ready. You will see 5 questions, and every answer is connected to the previous one. All answers are beautifully connected. Okay, like disintegration, then dissolution. You have to think about in this way. Also, you have to think as a pharmacist. Okay, don't say acute. Okay. Now, ready? Oh, time. Yes. For the first question, you will be given 20 seconds. And for the second, third, fourth, and fifth questions, you will get 10 seconds for each. Yeah. First question, 20 seconds, because the deciphering or decoding the first one is difficult. Second one, third one, fourth one, all are easy. If you can successfully decode the first one, okay, don't worry. It will be very interesting. So I'm going to the first question with the first question to Northern University and the score. The first question, for answering correctly the first question, you will get 20 marks. And for second, third, fourth, you will get 10, 10, 10 for everyone. Okay? So the first one is critical. You will earn 20 points by answering the first question. Not done. Ready? Team 1. What is the problem? 20 seconds.
Disease.
Disease is the right answer. Audience, I heard some whispering from your part. Please remain silent. Silent. If you unscramble silent, it will become listen. Interesting. Okay. So remaining silent is important for listening. So please remain silent and listen. Only listen. Okay. The second question will go to UAP. Oh, sorry, no. Sorry. It's my bad. Okay. So second question to Northern University related to this one. Okay. Then you visited this place. Yes. Time over. So please, audience.
Audience, please don't whisper. If you can guess, still keep quiet, please.
Please be quiet because it is important for the competition. Okay. Please don't whisper. Don't whisper. There are questions for you, audience. You will see questions. Okay. Wait. So you have disease, then you go to the hospital. Think. Okay. Then next question. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Okay. Not done. Ready. But audience, please remain silent. Doctor advised you to do.
A blood test.
Blood test is the right answer. Congratulations. The third question is done. Now the fourth question, not the university. Ready? Doctor gave you this solution. Medicine is the right answer. Super. Congratulations. The last question for Northern University. Gradually, you are time over. Now, audience. Healing is the right answer, but who answered first? I cannot recognize. So no gift is given. Okay, they are gift. Okay, we have no intention to save the gifts. Okay, we will give all the gifts to you. Now, second team is UAP. UAP ready? UAP ready? You recognize the pattern, right? So now it's your turn. UAP ready? Pentagram for team 2. If this one disturbs you every night.
Insomnia.
Insomnia. Right answer, insomnia. Second question. Ready? This drug could be the best remedy. Time over. Audience. Melatonin. Melatonin is the right answer. He will get. No, he will not get because this is the question not for audience. This question is for the participants. Okay. Gift only for your designated questions. Okay, but congratulations. So it is melatonin. UAP, ready for the next question? Okay. You may take this one to improve your sleep. Time over. Audience. Sedative. Okay, sedative. It's very easy. Okay, it was easy. Possibly the last one for UAP. UAP, ready? Oh, two remaining. Oh, okay. Still 2 remaining. There are. But don't take this one, this prohibited one. Audience, narcotic. There is no negative marking for wrong answer, so you can answer. Okay, no negative marking for wrong answer. The last question for UAP, ready? Because the controlled substance causes this problem. Addiction is the right answer. Okay, now we will move to team 3, which is NSUB team. Ready? NSU ready? Give them microphone. Okay. If you suffer from this disease, 20 seconds.
Diabetes.
Diabetes is the right answer. Next, ready? Next one. This part of your body is not clear properly. Oh, super fast. Okay, you can press the right answer. Then the third question for team 3. You should avoid or reduce the consumption of Audience. Carbohydrates. Audience outsmarted you and also me. So the next question for NSU, possibly the last one. Or two. Okay, okay.
Metformin.
Metformin. Maybe people asking the answer. Metformin is the right answer. The last one in this anagram, pentagram, right? Last one. Because metformin has very few side effects, such as diarrhea. You cannot ask us any question. Okay, you should answer. We will not answer. Okay. Okay, so this is they got the test of discovery, right? Okay. So this is the end of NSU now. Gono University, ready? Okay, give them microphone. Volunteer, please give them microphone. Gono University, ready? Okay. It's your time. Your time. So you have seen a lot of pattern. So when you take me, you need to suppress acidity.
PPI.
You have to unscramble the letters.
Parasites.
No, sorry, possibly you could not understand the pattern of the competition. Okay, this is you have to unscramble the letters given in the lower panel, right? Audience, please. Analgesic. Understand? But I don't know where you get in this. So, okay. Next time. Okay, the next one will be easier for you. I think you got analgesic. Okay, ready. Or I may cause
Ulcer.
Ulcer is the right answer. Right, they are on the track now. They are on the track. Okay, nice. Go ahead. Okay. So the third question. I create ulcer by inhibiting. Cyclooxygenase is the right answer. Okay. They got the best. Okay, now the fourth one. Inhibition of cyclooxygenase reduces the level of this lord of pain. It is the lord of pain. Time up. Audience. Prostaglandin. Okay. The last one. Some analgesics act as antiplatelet by reducing PGs and time over. Audience. Thromboxane. Very nice, audience. Audience, hats off, audience. Okay. So the team 4 also done their pentagram. Now team 5. Team 5 is Twist University. Ready? Okay. So for the first question, you will get 20 seconds. 20 seconds. For the subsequent questions, you will be given 10 seconds for each. Ready? I am a tiny invader. Pathogen is the right answer. This one protects you from a pathogen like your mommy.
Immunity.
Immunity is the right answer. Third question. Ready? If she fails, you will got this issue, which is not nice. Infection is the right answer. You have to say loudly. Don't say in a tone which we consider as a question, right? So your tone should be answer tone. Okay. Don't interrogative tone. Okay, the last one. Ready? Oh, two more. Okay. You can cure infection by taking
Antibiotic.
antibiotic is the right answer. The last one. Ready? It's a little bit bigger one. But if you misuse, it may cause time over. Audience.
Antibiotic resistance.
So many responses. Okay, so it was not that difficult. Antibiotic resistance, but however, you did very well in answering the first 4 questions. Congratulations. So we move to team number 6, which is NSU 18. Ready? The most common way of taking medication is
Oral route. Oral.
you have time. Use all letters. Audience, oral. You have to use all letters. Okay? So, though the answer is partially correct, but partial mark will not be given because they didn't use all letters. Okay, so second question, no problem. Second one is, I am the most popular in oral route.
Tablet. Tablet.
Tablet. So don't use interrogative tone. Okay, you are answering. Tablet. Okay, next. I'm also used in the oral route.
Capsules.
Capsule. Capsule is the right answer. These dosage forms create slower onset of action as these are. Time over. Audience. Loudly. Enteral. Enteral is the right answer. Enteral is the right answer. These are all enteral. Okay, last one. If you are not nervous, you may consider me for rapid action.
Subcutaneous. Intravenous.
Intravenous is the right answer. Okay, they got the score because you were on the verge of time. So please, okay, verge of time should not happen before verge of Eureka. Okay. Okay, so the question is done for the team number 6. Now we'll move to team number 7, which is the State University of Bangladesh. State University, so please don't answer partially. And you can answer, you can give multiple answer within time. Okay? Within time, if you say the first answer wrong, no problem. Second answer wrong, no problem. But within time, you can give multiple answer. You have to use all the letters. I am a formulation made by putting one into another's soul. Time over. Audience. Emulsion. Many responses. Many responses. Okay, we are so happy. We made the questions, so we feel happy that many people can answer. This is very nice. And also many answer eliminate the chance of giving it. Right? So next one is, but my main problem is
Instability.
instability is the right answer. The third question, ready? My existence is impossible without it. Unfortunately, time over. Audience, emulsifier. Okay, the next question for State University. You can also use another member of this bigger family. Time over, audience. Surfactants. Next one, and the last one. Both of we do the same thing, just reduce the surfactant and emulsion. Time over, and audience, please, please remain silent before when they are trying. Okay, okay, don't whisper. Okay, because already I said silent is listen. Okay. It is done for team number 7. Now the last team, which is Dhaka University. Okay. Ready? So, ready. Due to this serious issue, you felt headache and spinning head.
Hypertension.
Hypertension is the right answer. Second question, ready? You visited someone who can dig the problem. Time over, audience. Cardiologist. The third one. Doctor, tell me to take this because this is one of the best for hypertension. Time over. Audience, tell me certain is the right answer. Tell me is the given in the question, right? Last one. But you decided to take another drug because you are time over, audience. Pharmacist. Pharmacist. Oh, another left. Okay, okay. Last question for Dhaka University. As a knowledgeable person, you decided to take 5 notes. Time over. Audience. Furosemide. Okay, you got many eureka, many regret. But okay, it was a nice session. So we will, I hope the audience should get some gift, okay, right? So we will go to audience with this kind of problem. Audience, it's your turn now. You did very well. Audience did very well. Audience question of adrenaline rush.
সেগুলো কিন্তু কোথায় গেছেন you will raise your hand then they will give you the mic. Okay.
Okay, the person who raised his or her hand first will answer. Okay. Okay. This time in adrenaline rush, there are no options. No options for you. You have to tell the right answer. Name the equation that explains the kinetics of dissolution. Okay. Noise-Whitney equation. Noise-Whitney equation. Gift. Drugs with high permeability, low solubility belongs to which business class?
Step 2.
Biopharmaceutical classification system.
Which class? 1, 2, 3, 4.
B, 2. Class 2.
Okay, but you take second chance. So no, this question is discarded. Okay. But class 2 is the right answer. Okay. Which enzyme is inhibited by clavulanic acid? Okay.
Penicillinase.
No.
Beta-lactamase.
Beta-lactamase is right. Same. Penicillin. Okay, go to the next question is. Oh, gift, please give him the gift. What takes from when beta-lactam fuses to thiazolidine ring? What molecule is formed? Penicillin is the right answer. Now, pentagram. Okay, so you already solved many pentagrams. Now, pentagram for the audience. Okay, this time anybody can respond. Okay, no time limit. Ready? Audience ready? Over. Okay. Okay, tell the answer. Serotonin. Oh, another person answered. Okay. Serotonin is the right answer. Serotonin is the right answer. Okay. So who will get the gift? I don't know. Okay, next one. It is related to serotonin. Okay, something like serotonin. I live in your head to teach you and help you to memorize. Okay, answer. Acetylcholine. Acetylcholine is the right answer. Lies also live in somebody's head, right? Not in, not on head, right? On. So here is in and on issue. There is in and on issue. I become mad and feel rewarded when I get a pie. Dopamine. Dopamine is the right answer. Dopamine is the right answer. These are smart chemicals that work like internet of our brain. Audience.
Neurotransmitter.
Neurotransmitter answer already given. Neurotransmitter answer already given. Okay, so this is the end of this session. Okay. Okay, audience and the participants, you were waiting for the result, right? So we got the result. This time we also got 3 ties. Okay, so the tie teams are Northern University, Dhaka University, and NSUB. You are all, you will be fighting for the 4th position. We got the first, second, and third. Okay, we got the first 3 teams, not first, second, third. The qualified teams are East West University, University of Asia Pacific, and NSUA team. The other 2 teams, Bono University and the State University, you are eliminated, but congratulations to you. You did also very well. So now we will arrange a tie-breaking session in among Northern University, Dhaka University, and NSUB team. This time we will give you a unscrambling game, okay? Okay. I think we have 3 microphones, right?
So, participants from Gonu Vishwavidyalaya and State University, congratulations to you made it this far. I would request you to join the audience. All of you will be getting certificates for participation, and there is lunch for all of you. So please join our audience and enjoy the rest of the session. Thank you. Volunteers, please rearrange the seats.
Okay, Northern University, Dhaka University, and NSU Team B, ready. Okay, this time we'll give you a riddle which contains two keywords. You have to unscramble two words and you have to make a meaningful word. Okay? There is no time. The group who can answer first will be qualified. No need to raise hand, just tell the answer. Tell the answer loudly, okay? If you tell the answer loudly, that is okay. The group who can answer first will qualify for the next round. Okay, so we are showing you the riddle, which
What happens if they give the wrong answer?
nothing will happen. If you give the wrong answer, no problem. Okay, so we in that case, what time we will counting time. Okay, anybody will answer first. That will be okay. Wrong answer is no problem this time. Okay, it's already. Read this one and try to answer.
Peristalsis.
Peristalsis. Answered by NSU Team B. Okay, so they qualified and other teams are eliminated. Okay, thank you very much for participating in catch questions. This is the end of our second part. The third part will be after lunch because it is now the lunch time. So, please come here. 2:15, yes. Please come here around to.
Okay, everyone, please, can I have your attention, please? Okay, participants, a message for you. You will be provided lunch at room number 604. Volunteers will help you. Okay, no need to worry, but please, take your lunch and be here by 2:15 p.m. Okay, SAC 604. Only this is for the participants. Please follow the volunteers for your lunch.